So anything look odd there? Other than spaghetti? Oh, you ain't lying. That is true.
Gotta figure out which one it goes to. Which wire out? Okay. You must go in this one.
I mean, that does head out there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we got a light out down there, and about 3 here, and 1 out behind us.
Yeah.
But that one behind us could be a bulb. Unless the wire came loose on it. Since when were rose bushes named firefighter? Oh, here's one right in front of us, okay. Sugar Moon, Forever Yours. I need to talk to the people that named these things and figure out what they was on when they named them. Or are we just seriously getting out of names at this point?
Okay, I need my strippers and everything and the wire nuts.
Oh, I'll run and get them. So, you got a pile of spaghetti over there?
Yeah.
Nifty.
One, two, three, four. 4 wires gotta go in at one damn time.
You've done it before.
Yeah. Gotta have the room to do it.
Doesn't make it any easier, but still.
No.
Is there anywhere way to test that they're working? And that was our problem? Okay.
I mean, they gotta have juice to it, because this light right here is on.
Yeah, I see that. And I noticed these flickered earlier, and I don't know what you was doing. Oh, yep, there we go. I can't see those over there yet. I have to get back up. We got 1, 2, 1 is out here.
Where at?
In the middle.
Yeah. What about over yonder at that tree?
Let me go check. So that is 3 out of the 4 working over here.
Okay, that's good.
Guess that just means I need to mess with that one.
Yeah.
That is a lot to jam into one of those wire nuts. Good gosh. Maybe we should have got a upsize pack.
Cool. Let me get those three there. And then round hole.
That just ain't working well for you, is it? Well, we got a little work friend. Hey there, little buddy. How you doing?
Oh, hey, kitty.
You doing good, little buddy? Just out for a little wander. Let's see. It worked. And I'm blind.
You come on.
Yeah, I'm only partially blind now. You know, looking at it through the camera doesn't hurt as bad. May use that more often. Let's see here. If I can get that in there. Come on. There we go. Guess I'm just having trouble with screws today. Yeah, that stuff went burnt.
Go back in there.
Let's see here.
You got it?
If I can find out how to get it in. Okay, got it. It's gonna take him a moment to get in there behind the bushes. It's in an awkward place to get to. I don't even know why they put in a photocell over here because it's mostly shaded. Should come on any moment now. No. I don't know. Oh, there we go. It's on.
Good.
Yep, it's pretty bright.
Nothing plugged up when I'm messing wires. Okay, so I put the keys over this way.
Is that the thing you got to wire back up?
What?
That in your hand?
Yeah, this in my hand. I got to wire.
This
back
comes
up.
out, right?
Yeah, that comes out.
And it gets replaced by that little one. It's a much different one. I still don't understand why they have photocells here in the shaded spot during the... Yeah, you understand.
Yeah.
No wonder it's staying on too long. You got a pocket full of stuff or something?
I put wire nuts in there.
A wizard pocket?
Yeah, I guess.
No, that'd actually be a magician pocket. Same thing. They're both magical in ways.
I brought everything I needed.
Good, good.
Or everything I thought I'd need.
That's good too. Old one out, new one going in.
I'll put it on the outside.
You do it. I'm professional, I swear.
You want to try it again? All right, it's in.
Oh boy, well, hopefully this works for him, because it's what he wants, so. Damn, that big one actually fit in there.
I stuffed
Wow.
it. Okay, so go over and make sure them lights are off, and I'll put my light to it.
Okay. Was kind of getting a little worried there.
Why?
Didn't want to cut on or anything.
Well, see, when you got it on your hand, the sun actually goes through your skin and gives a red tone. So I put the phone up to it. Foam completely blocked it.
Well, it works. Everything's doing good, and I hope it keeps doing good for him.
We're leaving.
Yeah. On to the next place.